Champion dual fuel generator. It's a portable generator and it features 4,750 starting watts as well as 3,800 running watts. It comes nicely packaged. As you can see, none of the parts or components were even scratched or dented. The package also came with this box, which is equipped with wheels, a funnel, as well as hardware to put on the handle and wheels. And then there's this nice quick start guide with pictures to show you how to put everything together. So after looking through the quick start guide, we were ready to go and get started. First things first, we need to take out the mounting hardware which was used for the shipping. This was about 3 bolts, which took about 2 minutes to do. After this was completed, we were ready to start on the installation of the wheels. So these are the wheels themselves, as you can see. They also have this long bolt which will go inside like so. This part was pretty easy. I used a socket wrench to do so. I stood it up like this and I just screwed it on like that. The next component the Quick Start Guide recommends installing is this piece right here. It's to ensure that the generator lays flat when it's on the ground now that the wheels are in. This was pretty simple as it took only about 2 screws and I could screw it in pretty quickly with the socket wrench. As you can see, it's now nice and flat. Now it's time for the handle. This is the handle right here. It comes with 2 bolts that you screw on like so, and then I like to use a socket wrench again to make it nice and tight, and as you can see, now it lifts up like so. As you can see, this gives great mobility to the generator. Next, we want to put the positive and negative charges onto the battery. So to do so, we just simply put this nut through here and the bolt attaching it, and then screw it in with our fingers. I also used a small wrench just to make sure it was tight and make sure there's no problems in the road ahead. Next, we repeat these steps for the negative side, and there we go. Now that all the correct hardware is in place, we must put oil into the generator. The Champion generator comes with oil, which is awesome. As you can see, there's 0.6 liters, and we can use the provided funnel to put that in like so. The final step before we get started is putting in actual gas, and the gas cap is located on the top of the generator. As you can see, it was very simple to put the gas in and just close it up. Now we select gasoline versus propane, which is compatible as well. Then we put the choke on like so. We then turn the gas tank on to provide gasoline to the engine. And then finally, we turn on the battery like so. Then all is left is the button to get started. On the generator itself, these are the outlets that you can choose from. As you can see, we have 2 standard outlets, an RV outlet, and a 120 volt outlet like so. There's a couple other buttons there as well for circuit breakers. So as you can see, there's a lot of different options, and then here's where you can choose between gas and propane. Overall, this is a very cool generator. I definitely recommend it, and thank you guys so much for watching the video.